Hi, teacher and classmates. I will present the trip with my family. My family and I are going to travel to Guatapé, Antioquia in November. We are going to go by car, so the experience is more pleasant. We can see landscapes and towns that we don't know. In Antioquia, we are going to go to Piedra del Peñón, the most touristic place in Medellin. Also the Paisa town to eat the typical Paisa tray. We will stay in a hotel that includes the three meals of the day, and it is cheaper and we can stay some days. We are also going to acquire a tour of the most touristic and recognized places in Antioquia, going to natural and aquatic parks. Then, when we return to do a tour of each of the towns that are on the way, thus getting to know a little of our country. We will enjoy as a family each of those cultural and gastronomic experiences that our trip will present to us. And we saw souvenirs for my grandparents, uncles, and other family members. Thank you.